What is happening, everyone? I have an additional vehicle to the family again. It's not new, but new to me. Here it is. It's a 08 Ram 1500. Got the Hemi in it. Just wanted to get something that was a little bit newer, but I didn't want to shell out, 30 grand for a new truck. So this will be plenty for me. I don't have a whole lot of stuff to haul. Not going to do anything too crazy wild with it. I do have some plans. I've already got some things ordered for it to install and whatnot. Pretty clean. Unfortunately, I live in the Rust Belt, so there is some rust, but for the most part pretty clean. 160,000 miles on it. Four-wheel drive, gray interior. Had everything that I wanted, except for the 34-gallon fuel tank. I did want that, but pretty hard to find on these trucks. It's kind of a dime, or not a dime a dozen, sorry. It's more like 1 in 100. So 26-gallon fuel tank instead of 34, not a huge deal. I just kind of wanted the additional 8 gallons for a little better fuel range. But yeah, this is my new baby. I couldn't let the girlfriend completely outdo me with her new Jeep Compass, so I had to push my timeline forward for my quote-unquote new vehicle. So for plans on this thing, I'm not gonna give everything away, but I'll probably be making videos for most of it anyway. I've got some LED lights that I've already ordered for the license plate lights and interior lights and reverse lights. Got some WeatherTech floor mats ordered for it already, as well as the window vent visors. Probably be doing some exhaust on it here pretty soon, as well as at least a K&N drop-in filter. Probably won't do a full cold air intake. It's just not worth it to me. I'll get onto that topic on a different video and explain my theory behind that. Might be getting some different headlights, possibly wheels and black side steps. I think I'm going to try to get rid of some of the chrome and replace it with some black. Too much chrome's just not my thing. Not that this has too much on it, but I can't leave anything well enough alone. You gotta modify things. So definitely one of the first things on the agenda is this overly quiet exhaust. Gotta let that Hemi breathe. And then I will be getting a tune done as well, a dyno tune at some point to disable the MDS, the multi-displacement system, because once you get an aftermarket exhaust and it kicks into 4-cylinder mode going down the highway, it sounds like a helicopter landing on your roof, which sounds dumb. And honestly, I don't think the 4-cylinder mode saves a whole lot of fuel anyways. So that's that for now. I'll have more updates as my parts arrive and I install them for this truck, and I will be doing a full walk around on it as well as for the Compass pretty quick. So make sure to stay tuned. Got plenty of content coming. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already and hit the little bell notification button. Also check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.